This game used to be amazing when I was a child. I'll be real. Seeing the graphics now, though, yikes. I realize why. I'm so glad graphics have gone so much better nowadays, comparatively. Um, the story isn't there isn't really a story to this game, though. Like, you play, you're playing a nameless character that you name. You make them play in tournaments for more dice monsters, and literally just continue the game, going through tournament after tournament, collecting more dice, increasing your team, making them stronger, making you stronger, until you beat all the tournaments and keep unlocking new dice, seeing characters you see from the original Yu-Gi-Oh show, a bunch of stuff. It's supposed to help kids, not help kids, more teach kids that not teach, show kids. Oh, look, it's your. Remember that person from the show. Um, the gameplay is very slow. It's much slower than I remember. Like, I've been in this specific game for like 5, 10 minutes tops already, and this game is a very slow because it shows you every roll. You can't skip the roll, and it gets annoying, especially when it gets to the point of the battles when you actually have them fight each other. Or if I remember, back then we're pretty good in this game, but now this is what it looks. If this is how it looks like, I don't think it's gonna hold up as to my memory one little bit. And my experience right now is I am sucking very much. I'm not doing good at all in this round. Hopefully I don't get knocked out this early in the tournament. I would love to see this game get remade, honestly, with a more updated visual art style, a more updated pool of monsters you can choose, because these are all the original series monsters only. Because I would love to see them transport it. Because I used to own this game on my Game Boy Advance, and gonna be real here, the emulated version is not holding up well. Like, my controls are not really reacting well to me and everything. These bugging around like crazy. Hopefully, I can still get a good recording for this. If this game got re-released with a visual update and everything, I'll give it a try. I would give it a try, honestly. But it would need to be worth the price tag for most games nowadays. Um, yeah. There's not really much else I can talk about this game. That's its art style. Hopefully, I'll be able to get at least one fight in against another Dungeon Dice monster to show you. But the controls are not acting that well. It could be just that it's a bad emulator, or I don't know. Because I'm getting plenty of ways to attack. I just need the board to connect, but it's not letting me get anything so I can connect. So I shall have to work with it. Come on. Please AI connect the dice. Is he gonna connect the boards? And he's not. What a douche. Ugh, come on. I want to show at least one fight. Just one fight. Come on, one fight. Please. Yes. Sure, I'll just mention the Penguin Swordsman. That's fine. Yes, there we go. There we go. Finally, I can show the the graphics part of this game that I used to adore. Well, adore was a strong word. Enjoyed. Just the controls would work with me, honestly. If the controls would work with me, there we go. Yes, I would love Penguin Swordsman to attack. Attack. Come on. Attack. And now this is the part of the game that I remember adoring as a kid. Wow. Holy butts. This is way worse than I remember. This game does not hold up to nostalgia. Oh, wow, this is bad. In my perspective in this game, the eyes of 21st century gaming now, this does not hold up in any shape, way, or form.